The importance of your daily routine, we're going to talk about that next. Stay tuned. G'day traders, Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Another beautiful sunny morning down in Perth. A bit of swell this morning. I think we got a front coming through. It's probably going to be about peaked at 3 meters overnight, so that's pretty solid. Anyways, we're going to talk today about the importance of a daily routine. We talked about how the odds are stacked against us as retail traders, and one of the things that's really critical that retail traders should focus on is not trying to adapt themselves to the market, but create a routine that allows you to duplicate your strategy day in and day out. You know, I talk about Asia close, Europe open, London open, New York open, London close. These are the high probability time frames. I like the 1 hour charts. I like to look at the Asian markets open up and trade. I like to look at the ranges. I like to look at how London opens. But what's really great for me is that I can come back and be at the screen at a specific time each day to prepare and review that. And I want to talk today about your daily routine as traders. One of the things that professional traders go over every single day is they review their trade setups. They review the market and how it's gone and traded in the last few days, few weeks, whatever their trading strategy entails, but they review what the market's, how it's been behaving and how their strategy would, how they traded it, if they traded it, how they could have done it better. They make their notes. They're very detailed about their journaling. They review their trading process, but they're very risk management focused. So they're only looking for specific asymmetrical risk reward opportunities. One of the reasons, again, that I like specific times of the day is that I can duplicate that day in and day out. And I know that from my experience and from going over these charts for years, that the market will make a push and it will often give 50 to 100 pips or more, 2 to 3 days a week. But it will also allow me to minimize my downside on those trades to 30 to 40 pips max, if not less on some of them. So it's critical that you have that 3-4 to 1 risk reward scenario, that you can duplicate something, but you need to be able to have that process where you review everything on a day in and day out basis. And the more detailed you get, the more specific you get, the better your results are going to be. So it's important that you have something that you can duplicate each day, that you can bring yourself back to basics and prepare your mindset, be risk focused in terms of managing your downsides, be professional in terms of your record keeping, building your playbook. Like every week, I add at least 10 to 15 great screenshots, and I add a couple of those to my best trade setups. Like Peter Brent would say, his best dressed list. Now, sometimes those are trades that I've taken, and then I'll go over that. How could I have managed that better? If I managed it to the best of its ability, is there anything I could have done to improve my winners or to reduce my losers? So, I'm always trying to make my losers smaller and make my winners bigger. So get really, really routine oriented, get process oriented, really focus on duplication. So if it's duplicatable and you can reproduce that on a day in and day out basis or a weekly basis or a monthly basis, your results are going to get more consistent. You can measure them, you can monitor those metrics. Get Edgewonk. If you haven't got it yet, get the free trial. Go to my blog site, click the link, get the free trial. It's brilliant software, but also it just gives you the chance to start really getting more and more detailed and monitoring really where you're at with your trading, instead of sort of guessing and hypothesizing and only remembering your good trades. Let's look at all the trades and see where you're at on that data points all over across the board. So get really detailed. Daily routine traders. The market will try to lure you into all these other strategies that will make you chase price action, chase indicators. But the one thing that you have in your favor is that they can't hide, number one, but also you can duplicate what you do day in and day out and just be patient and wait. They don't want you to wait. So the game is rigged against us. So step back and really look at how you can start to shift that edge in your favor. Have a great trading week. Stay disciplined, stay focused. Routine traders, daily routine. Have a great trading week.
Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, The 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.